How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be comparing all three of these Dreo heaters. We're going to be starting over here with the Dreo Atom, then the Dreo Atom 316, a slightly newer version, and then lastly, one of my favorites, this is the Dreo H3 Slim. In this video today, we're going to be doing the heating test. We've been doing a bunch of other tests on these, but today specifically, we're just going to be looking at which one gets the hottest. And just FYI, these are all 1500 watt heaters. So with that being said, let's go ahead and start the test. All right, so for the heating test, basically what we're gonna do is we're going to turn the heater on the max heating mode, and we're going to do this test for 30 seconds. So we'll time it on my phone there. We'll hold this piece of paper right out in front of the heater at the same spot for each of the heaters. Then as soon as the timer's up, we're going to use our thermometer here to see what the temperature of this piece of paper is, and we will use a brand new fresh sheet of paper for every test. So let's go ahead and give the Dreo Atom a try. So before putting this paper next to the heater, we're right around 77 degrees. Let's go ahead and give this a try. We'll start the timer right now. All right, so my fingers are getting pretty warm here, and I think the test is almost up. I think this is gonna be well over 100. Let's go ahead and see, 30 seconds. And yeah, we're at 119 at max, and then it went down to 113 as the heat's kind of dissipating from the paper. All right, so 119 is the record so far. Let's keep it going to the next Dreo Atom heater. All right, so I let this heater kind of warm up for a second, so hopefully it's all ready. And yeah, this thing's already putting out a ton of heat. Trying to hold the paper in the same exact location, the same distance away from the heater, just to make this a fair test. And for a small heater, this thing definitely has a lot of good airflow. And I think it has something to do with not having the filter that the original Dreo Atom has on the back. This one just has a very open design. So let's go ahead and see. So we're at 130 at max. So that's definitely impressive for a small heater like that. All right, so I just let this heater warm up. Let's go ahead and test this one out. You guys may notice that I'm holding this paper up a little higher, and that's just because the actual exit for the air is higher up on this heater. So I'm hoping that we get pretty similar results here. I will say this heater is quieter thanks to its really cool design on the center. Instead of having a normal fan blade design, it has a big cylinder like a tower fan. All right, and it's time to give this a test. We hit 133. I think 133 was our max temperature, 134 right there. So very close actually to the normal Dreo Atom 316. But it's still about 13 degrees higher than our previous Dreo Atom heater that we did first. Overall, definitely really impressed with all three of these heaters. So there you guys have it. That is my really quick heating test on all three of these Dreo heaters, and hopefully you guys were able to find out which is going to be the most helpful for your house.